Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by sorting and grouping soft items so compression works well. Once done, place similar fabrics together and do not overstuff. Leave about 1/4 empty so air can escape. Make sure zippers are clean, then press the two tracks together and run your fingers along to align. After that, close the slider slowly and check for gaps. Sealing correctly prevents leaks and maximizes space savings. Now you connect your vacuum to the bag valve and lock it in place. If the valve is small, use the provided adapter. Power the vacuum and work in short bursts so fabric settles evenly, and keep running until you hear no more airflow. While suction continues, smooth the bag outward to prevent trapped pockets. When the bag is fully compressed, turn off the vacuum and quickly close any secondary valve or cap to maintain the vacuum. Finish by labeling the bag with contents and a date so you can find items later without opening. Then place bags flat or upright in a cool, dry storage area. Avoid direct sunlight and heaters because heat can damage seals. If the bag reinflates, first check the zipper seal and rerun the slider. Next, inspect the valve for debris and tighten or replace it if cracked. If needed, transfer items into a new bag to ensure long-term.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.